Seryoso. And I would like to take the opportunity po to thank Philpop for choosing us as one of the interpreters for Philpop 2014.
Bravo talaga. Bravo. Our first time to hear that live. Of course, this is just a taste of what is to come sa ating Philpop 2012 Finals Night. Again, it's not a singing competition. It is about the song. is really about how the judges will see the song in its totality. So, it's not a songwriting competition, pero ano yung pakiramdam nyo na makakasama kayo sa PhilPop 2012 at finals night na itong Sabado?
We feel very blessed po kasi isa kami sa mga napili, and then we're so happy kasi yung every song naman is napakaganda, but yung kanta na napunta sa amin is an inspirational song, and we're used to singing inspirational songs po, so parang comfort zone na dito.
I like these guys. Okay, tell me a little bit more about yourself. Kasi di ba, lahat ng mga artists ng PhilPop kilala natin, pero sila hindi pa masyado. Yung stint nyo with Ellen DeGeneres, I'm sure you've been asked before, ano yung experience mo? Paano yung experience mo with Ellen DeGeneres? And to be exclusive with her for 6 months, nag-exclusive kayo kay Ellen? Tell us more about that.
Yun nga po, yung sa kantang Dance with My Father, dun po kami na parang na-discover ni Ellen, and then 1 week after naging viral yung video, tinawagan na kami, and then yung September, dun po kami nag-guest. Tapos yung whole experience, sobrang ang sarap-sarap po sa pakiramdam, kasi hindi namin naisip na once in our life makakapunta kami ng US and then sa Ellen pa. So, yung 6 months contract po, exclusivity contract po siya. Pero katatapos lang po yung April.
So you guys are looking forward to going back to the States according to your management, at you'll see kung saan pa tayo madadala. Sana talaga maging successful ka pa. But I'll also ask here, tell us a little bit more about you guys. Kung ano yung kung paano na iba yung takbo ng buhay niyo coming from, of course, the province. Saan mo kayong probinsya again? Jensan. Coming from Jensan.
Well, sumikat po kami sa YouTube noong April. So, after that day, halos lahat ng mga tao nakakasalamuhan namin, nakakilala na po. At saka, nakaka-bless rin po na patuloy pa rin po yung career namin.
Okay. Alam ko madami sa inyo na gusto pa sanang makinig sa kanilang kanta. Pero bago pa yan, sandali lang meron lang akong premyo na gustong ibigay sa ating mga media personalities. And we'll wrap up our PhilPop press con. But before they leave, kasi okay na,